Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Roberta and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet, I have watched almost every one of your videos." That is some serious binge watching, Roberta. Your work is amazing and thank you for sharing your gifts. You are so welcome. Thank you for allowing me to. My daughter is getting married soon and I wanted to save her some money. So I offered to do her centerpieces. These are her colors. Please, please, please help me create this beautiful centerpiece for my daughter. Well, Roberta, we're going to show you every step you need to take, everything you need to do, and don't forget, give you the links to all of the supplies in the description below the video. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Classic Tall Wedding Centerpiece. Okay, Roberta, here we go. So for this centerpiece, we're going to use a 17-inch silver metal trumpet vase as well as a 5-inch styrofoam green ball. We're going to go ahead and attach it just using hot glue on right in the center edge of our vase. So the link I gave you for the artificial greenery stems has 3 different types of greenery. For this particular one, we're using just 2 of them, but if you want to mix in that third, there is nothing stopping you. Remember, we give you the plan, you take the plan and make it your own. Well, Roberta, how did we do? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for this to be a part of your daughter's special day. Don't worry, I'm also including the links to the little tea light holders as well as that round glass mirror, so you will have everything you need to make your daughter's day as special as possible. Well guys, if you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you would like to hang out with us a little bit more, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, for more cost-saving tips, or just head on over to our social media where you can spend more time and get more fantastic ideas. And those social media platforms would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And don't forget, if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, what are you waiting for? They pay you to shop. It is a fantastic opportunity. Very simple way to get to it. Go down to the description, click on the Rakuten link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. Well guys, once again, our time has come to an end. I want to remind you of a couple of things. Head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com. You can click right there in the corner. It'll take you right to it for cost-saving tips and blog posts and written as well as picture instructions for most of our projects. So head on over there to get more cost savings for your special wedding or event. In addition to that, don't forget that all of the links to all the supplies for our projects are always listed in the description below. You just click on that little show more button and it'll be all there for you at your fingertips so that you can have the supplies that we use to make this very centerpiece. They're always there, don't forget it. Well, in addition to that, we are open for requests for the 2022 wedding party season. So please head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, click on the project request tab and follow the simple steps, and we would love to be a part of your special day and moments. Now, do it sooner than later because our schedule fills up so fast. As a matter of fact, I believe we were already full for January and February. So do it quickly. Give us your inspirations so that we can take it and create your ideas at a fraction of the cost. So with that being said, guys, I want to wish everybody happy holidays and a happy new year, and we'll see you back here in January. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.